In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website using Google Gemini, focusing on creating a slick and efficient surfboard website setup. This process is designed to be as straightforward as possible, so even if you're not a tech wizard, you'll be able to follow along. Let's dive in and get started. First, open your browser and head over to Google. Since we're going to be using Google Gemini for this project, you'll want to type Google Gemini into the search bar. Google Gemini is a fantastic tool for building websites with ease, and finding it is just a quick search away. Once you've typed that in, hit enter. Now, from the search results page, look for the official Google Gemini website. Click on the link to navigate directly to their site. Here, on the Google Gemini website, you'll notice an array of options, but our focus right now should be on the menu. Go ahead and click on the Tools section. This might take a moment to load, but once it's open, you'll see a variety of tools available for designing and developing your website. Next up, we need to select Canvas from the tools available. The Canvas tool is particularly useful for web design, as it allows you to visually lay out your website's structure and content. Clicking on Canvas will open up a space where you can start designing your website. With Canvas open, it's time to get creative. Our goal is to make a prompt that defines the kind of website we want to create. So, let's type in our prompt: a clean, modern, single-product website that heroically highlights a custom surfboard with bold visuals, clear specs, brand story, gallery, social proof, and an easy contact/order flow in an ocean-inspired mobile-first design. This prompt gives Google Gemini a comprehensive blueprint of what you want your website to convey and the type of experience you want your visitors to have. Once you're satisfied with your prompt, take a moment to review it. Ensure that all the details are correct and that it captures the essence of what you want your website to achieve. When you're ready, click on the Submit button. And that's it. You've just taken the first major steps in creating a stunning surfboard website using Google Gemini. Remember, building a website is an iterative process. You can always come back and make adjustments or add new elements to enhance the website further. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to create a website that's both functional and visually appealing. Thanks for tuning in, and happy building.